In this video, we'll discuss how to form questions in French by using question words. In previous video, we have already discussed how to form questions by using intonation, aversion and prefixing esque. Now, as we all know that in English, we use some specific terms as, for example, what, how, when, why. Likewise, in French, we have some specific terms that are used to form interrogative sentences that we are going to discuss in this video. So let's begin. Quel. Quel is the term that we use for what and which. Quel is used for what and which masculine. Quel is used for what and which feminine. Quel is used for what and which masculine plural. Quel is used for what and which feminine plural. So you can see that all the four terms are pronounced in the same manner. So the pronunciation is same, but the spellings are different. Spellings are in accordance with the gender of the noun or the word. Like, as a rule, when we form feminine, we add an extra e, or we repeat the last consonant and then add e. So here, quel, for the masculine, the spelling is Q-U-E-L. But for feminine, we are adding an extra L and E to it. And similarly, for plural, we add an extra S when we have to make plural of something. So for masculine plural, we'll take the masculine singular form and then we'll add S. So spelling would be Q-U-E-L-S. Similarly, in feminine also, we'll take the singular form, that is Q-U-E-L-L-E, and then we'll add an extra S to it. So it will make it plural. Another thing that is important to note here is that usually in French, whenever we talk about masculine and feminine plural, it takes the same form. But here, it will take different forms. For masculine and feminine, there will be different words. So the pronunciation is same, that is quel, but the spellings are different, and all these forms, four different forms, will be used in accordance with the gender of the noun or the word. Then we have other terms. Quoi, which means what. Qui, which means who, whom, and which. Then we have où, which means where. Quand, which means when. Pourquoi, which means why. Combien, which means how. I'll repeat. Quoi, qui, où, quand, pourquoi, combien. So, all these terms are the question used to form questions. And you must have noticed that it is not specified whether it's used for masculine or feminine, or plural, which means that these terms can be used for both masculine and plural. And we have esque. Esque we have already discussed in the previous video that esque, when it is prefixed before an affirmative sentence, it changes it into an interrogative one. But here esque is used in itself. That is, it is not preceded by any other sentence. Esque means is it, do you, or has it. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est is an expression used for an interrogative one, which means what is it, what is that, what is this. Now there are some examples. There are some sentences which exemplifies how the question words are used in a sentence. Now quel. Quel, the spelling is Q-U-E-L-L-E, which is the feminine one. So here feminine is used because address in the sentence is feminine. Quel est ton adresse? Quel est ton adresse? What is your address? So quel is used because address is feminine. Then the other one, quel, which means what. Here we are taking the masculine form because in the sentence it is used with the noun which is masculine. Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What is your phone number? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? So here numéro is masculine, that's why we have used the masculine form. Qui? Qui means who. Qui êtes-vous? Who are you? Comment, which means how. Comment ça va? How are you? Pourquoi? Pourquoi means why. Pourquoi viens-tu ici tous les jours? Why do you come here every day? Pourquoi viens-tu ici tous les jours? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? कौन? कौन part-elle? When are they leaving? Où? Où means where. Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Est-ce tu parles français? Do you speak French? Combien, which means how. Combien de sœurs avez-vous? How many sisters do you have? So these are the examples which indicates that how the question words are used in a sentence. So I hope after watching this video you are clear about the question words. Now you have a clear idea how to use the question words in for forming interrogative sentences in French. Thank you.